Yes, YouTube, good morning and welcome back again. BTC started dumping as we approaching the weekly closeout, and you know guys, in this video I will try to give you an entry for a short position to sell side liquidity. What you can see is that BTC is still trading in a premium market now at the moment, and usually what I do is, and what I teach my guys in the group, is to wait for a sweep, wait for buy side liquidity sweep, eventually enter on a market structure shift, guys. So stick to the end of this video. I will give you guys a setup for the coming week, and like this video, subscribe to my channel, and with that said guys, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and let me clean this chart here and let's go to the daily time frame. Right, what you can see here is a crazy pump, the pump from last week that came for buy side liquidity above this wicks here. Right, there was a small gap here also that we needed to fill. I thought it was on the 3-day chart here. There was a small gap here we needed to fill, and there was a small gap here that we needed to fill. Right, so if we draw this fair value gaps, you can see how nicely this center, this middle line of this fair value gap got triggered, right? So let's go back to the daily time frame. So now we found our spot where BTC rejected, and now it's the trick to find an entry for a short position. Usually what you see is that BTC spikes up many times to create bearish divergence on the higher time frames to eventually go down crazy, right? So that the trick is to find an entry for a short position here on the 1 hour time frame. So what we have here is we have buy side liquidity above this wicks, we have buy side liquidity above this wicks, right? So what we should aim for is to catch a highest possible entry, in this case for a short position. So what I'm aiming for, because this fair value gap isn't closed completely, so and there's now resting buy side liquidity above this wick, I'm aiming for this middle line again, because now there's resting buy side liquidity. You know, not too tight, because usually they sweep higher, because yeah, not everybody puts their stop loss up exactly above this wick, right? So there's a fair value gap here also. So let's aim for the middle line of this fair value gap as our entry, right? I changed my mic, by the way. I hope you guys like it. You know, it's better quality instead of AirPods. So let me check here. So we're aiming for the middle line of this fair value gap. We put our stop loss above this wick here, above this wick. And again guys, if you like to stay updated, like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell so you will get notified exactly on the moment I post a new video, right? So again, short position entry. So I'm waiting for liquidity sweep during the weekly closeout to come for the second fair value gap middle line to eventually come down, create a bearish divergence on the RSI to fill some gaps on the downside, right? There's a gap here on the 4 hour time frame. There's a fair value gap here, and there's a crazy fair value gap here, right? Let's pull a Fibonacci retracement. If you go to your toolbar, you can see here on the top Fibonacci retracement. If you want to use it more often, press the favorite button and it will appear here in your favorite toolbar, right? So let's, So let's select Fibonacci retracement. We take the lowest high before the pump to the top of the wick, and then you can see that the 618 lines perfectly with this pool of sell side liquidity, right? So we can draw some sell side liquidity here. To eventually take profit at golden pocket. We have to check what's happening here in the coming days to see how price action reacts on the lower time frames. Once we are here, I will post a new video for you guys to keep you guys updated. If you want to stay updated more, go follow me on X, join the crypto gainers, go to cryptoharrisons.com, links are in the description, and yeah, it's completely for free and it's up to you, right? So again guys, take profit levels middle of this fair value gap, and another one on the 618. I will not close my entire position here, but we have to see in the lower time frames what's going on, right? What's going to happen, and how we can anticipate here on this kind of price action. So again guys, you know, if you want to take this kind of trades together with me, go to today's video's description, like this video. Let's see if we can reach 200 likes on this video. Open the description, go to the second link, BTCC, click it. Once you click it, you land on the collaboration page between BTCC and Crypto Gainers. Crypto Gainers is our trading group, and once you create a new account with a new email address, you will get an instant 10% bonus on your first deposit, right? So fill in your email address, your password, click next, and you're good to go. So again guys, let's go back to the chart. Wait for a sweep to eventually enter on the second fair value gap middle line to trade until the golden pocket on the 4-hour time frame. So again guys, I thank you all for watching. You know, a quick update for BTC. On Sunday, wait for the closeout, wait for liquidity sweep, wait for market structure shift to eventually short till the golden pocket on Fibonacci retracement. So with that said guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.